Good morning to all. This is Dr. S. Porchalvi, Associate Professor and Head, Department of Physics, Sakti College of Arts and Science for Women, Ottanchitram. In this video, we are going to see about amplifier. Amplifier is an electronic device that raises the strength of the input signals which is given to it. Now let us see the classification of amplifier. Amplifiers can be classified in many ways. So first of all, based on number of stages of amplification, it is classified into two types, single stage amplifier and multi-stage amplifier. In single stage amplifier, only one transistor circuit can be used for amplification of the signal. Here, only one stage of amplification is possible. While in multi-stage amplifier, multiple transistor circuits are used and many stages of amplification is possible using the multi-stage amplifier. Based on the frequency range, amplifiers are classified into three types: audio frequency amplifier, intermediate frequency amplifier, and radio frequency amplifier. The amplifier circuit that amplifies a signal in the audio frequency range, that is from 20 Hz to 20 kHz, is called audio frequency amplifier. The intermediate frequency amplifier amplifies a signal which is more than audio frequency but less than the radio frequency signal, that is in the frequency range of 300 Hz to 100 kHz. In radio frequency amplifier, the amplifier circuit amplifies a signal in very high frequency range from 3 kHz to 300 GHz. Based on its output, the amplifiers are classified into two types: voltage amplifier and power amplifier. The voltage amplifier raises the voltage level of the input signal, while the power amplifier raises the power level of the input signal. Based on the coupling method, the amplifiers are classified into three types: RC coupled amplifier, transformer coupled amplifier, and direct coupled amplifier. So all the three amplifiers are multi-stage amplifiers. Here one stage of amplification is coupled to the next stage using resistor and capacitor, means that type of amplifier is called RC coupled amplifier. In transformer coupled amplifier, a multi-stage of amplification can be coupled using the transformer. So these type of transformers or amplifiers are called transformer coupled amplifiers. While in direct coupled amplifier, there is no coupling devices needed for coupling from one stage to another stage. Based on the mode of operation, amplifiers are classified into four types: Class A power amplifier, Class B power amplifier, Class AB power amplifier, and Class C power amplifier. If the output current flows for entire cycle of the input signal, that is for 360-degree, then those amplifiers are called Class A power amplifier. If the output current flows for only half cycle of the input signal, that is up to 180-degree, then those amplifiers are called Class B power amplifier. In Class AB power amplifier, output current flows for more than half cycle but less than full cycle, that is more than 180-degree but less than 360-degree, is called Class AB power amplifier. In Class C power amplifier, the output current flows for less than half cycle of the input signal, that is up to 120-degree only. So this is about the amplifier and its classification. Thank you.